How virtual idols are transforming youth marketing in China. In the early 2010s, China's consumer market began transforming under the influence of digitalization, particularly with the emergence of Gen Z and Gen Alpha. These younger generations, shaped by digital environments and internet culture, developed consumption habits centered on individuality, immersion, and novelty. Their preferences significantly diverge from those of previous generations, making traditional celebrity endorsements less effective. Brands began searching for marketing strategies that could more deeply resonate with this demographic shift, paving the way for more innovative and tech-aligned promotional approaches. The development of virtual idols in China has been propelled by multiple structural factors. The widespread acceptance of ACG, anime, comics, games, culture, which has shifted from a niche interest to a dominant youth trend, provided fertile ground. Simultaneously, technical advancements in AI, 3D modeling, motion capture, and real-time rendering enabled highly realistic, interactive virtual characters. Additionally, a generational turn toward emotional and cultural consumption created demand for more symbolic and relational products. Support from content platforms and investments from capital markets further accelerated this trend, while growing concerns over celebrity scandals and high costs motivated brands to seek more controllable and reliable alternatives. By the late 2010s and into the 2020s, virtual idols began to be embraced as versatile marketing assets. Their appeal lies in being fully customizable and free from the behavioral risks associated with human celebrities. These digital figures can be precisely designed to align with a brand's target audience and values, offering consistent and risk-free representation. They also excel in communicating with younger audiences via platforms they frequent, such as games, anime, and social media. With long-term usability and broad creative potential, virtual idols have emerged as effective tools for brands aiming to refresh their image and foster ongoing engagement. Throughout the 2020s, virtual idols proved their value in multiple industries through practical applications. In beauty and fashion, brands like Haxitsi and Proya successfully integrated culturally tailored or futuristic virtual figures to communicate brand narratives and aesthetics. In food and beverage, companies such as KFC and Genki Forest leveraged the entertaining qualities of virtual idols to increase product appeal and connect with younger consumers. In the automotive sector, brands like GAC Aeon and Speng used tech-forward digital personas to represent innovation and individualism. Technology firms like Xiaomi and Tencent transformed virtual identities into brand ambassadors embedded within their digital ecosystems, demonstrating the versatility and strategic potential of virtual idols. Despite their promise, virtual idols face significant challenges. High production and maintenance costs, along with the need for advanced technical capabilities, can limit accessibility for smaller companies. The rapid increase in virtual idol content risks creating aesthetic fatigue among consumers, especially if characters lack distinctiveness or compelling narratives. Legal uncertainties regarding image rights, copyright, and advertising compliance introduce additional risk, particularly as virtual idols engage in commercial activities like livestream sales. Emotional engagement with fans is often contingent on maintaining a coherent and appealing persona, which, if disrupted, can result in rapid fan disengagement. Furthermore, demographic and cultural differences across regions can impact how virtual idols are received, while advancing AI capabilities also raise ethical concerns regarding realism, user privacy, and the boundaries between real and virtual relationships. Looking forward, virtual idols are expected to evolve along several major trajectories. They will diversify into more specialized roles, such as virtual influencers in fashion, science, or cuisine, offering greater alignment with distinct industry needs. Personas will become more complex and humanized, moving away from idealized perfection toward relatable, emotionally resonant narratives. AI will drive content creation, personalization, and emotional intelligence, enabling more meaningful user interactions. Ecosystem integration will deepen, with virtual idols becoming embedded in cross-platform strategies and metaverse environments, expanding their reach and utility. They will also increasingly function as standalone intellectual properties, opening revenue opportunities through licensing and merchandise beyond simple brand representation. Virtual idols have established themselves as a lasting force in marketing, especially in the context of youth-oriented brand strategies in China. Supported by a strong digital native audience, technological infrastructure, and the widespread influence of ACG culture, their role is expanding beyond novelty to become a core tool for engagement and brand building. While technical, legal, and ethical concerns remain, the continued evolution of virtual idols toward greater intelligence, diversity, and ecosystem participation suggests that they will be instrumental in shaping future consumer relationships. Brands willing to invest strategically in this area can unlock sustained competitive advantages and form lasting connections with younger generations.